your questions, ne? So today all the questions will be answered. Relax. I'm with the cast and the producers of Someone I need to mail already. My name is Naomi Khwane. I am not alone today. I am with the cast of Inhliziyo Ayiphakelwa, who are from Titara's Productions. So I will just allow them to introduce themselves. We need to know them, right? So, good afternoon, guys.
Hi.
And you look more prettier. You know, live. Can you guys introduce yourselves?
Okay, my name is Kamelo Ramuki. Nagitsamka character baringe Bokang. Inhliziyo Ayiphakelwa.
Nosipho or Nezisamncanca, ngidlala character kaNonkululeko Inhliziyo Ayiphakelwa. And the second story ngidlala character kaMama uNomhlanga.
Sanibona bafowethu, igama lami ngu-Aubrey Selahle. I'm one of the founder and the director ye-Titara's Production. Ngidlala character kaBuntu, and other side Kunhleyin. What is it, Ntwana? Thandolwane. Ngidlala character kaVuyani. Onabafazi abayi-4. Ngisho nje 4.
My name is
Okay guys, Ndomokhanyo Josiah, ngidlala i-character kaMbali kwInhliziyo Ayiphakelwa.
Yeah, and Nonwabisa Wole, I was playing a character of being Mokwanda on the story.
Thank you so much, guys. Firstly, tell us how the production started.
Production, we have something to say, but let me start. Production, which year? It was 2022, if I'm not mistaken. It was 2022. We were still in theater. So we decided to start an agency. Yeah, agency, but Savannah challenges then Uthando literally shooting like actor and stuff. Yakala developer lapho ukuthi name and how come we singa shoot izinto zethu si submit on TV, then maybe we can have something in movie or a series or whatever on TV. Sakudlala masihleli nje on theater ukuthi ne let's do this. Kancane gadala ngamskima vele partner yami. Izinto zaba.
Yeah, sakala kanjalo, and then that's where we started. Sense into yethu. Sabona ukuthi okay, no man, let's do this. And then we didn't have funds ukuthi sishoot something ezoba mhlawumbe sizoyise TV and stuff. That's where we started to shoot for YouTube. Said okay, let's start the YouTube channel. At least for YouTube we can even use phone when we are shooting, and then that's where we started. Yeah, sikale phansi with 0 subscribers, and then we go up, and it wasn't easy at all because honestly when you see 0 budget, see cast abantu, it's not easy to abantu because abanye bane challenge imali, so it's very difficult. By the way, I forgot to mention that I'm also a casting director and also I'm a writer. I'm the one who writing those stories. Yeah.
So why the name Titara's? I'm struggling to pronounce it. Why the name?
Titara's actually is a horoscope. What we call it horoscope is stars. Stars, yes, stars, a horoscope. Yeah, after finding out that we were struggling English. We saw one a name for production. Sizena magama amaningi man, this no is not working, it's not working. Faka name wethu is not working. Only one day to find out that we are sharing a birthday. By the way, in 5 May, next week is my birthday. Next.
Me too. Yes.
Yeah. So I said, wow, we are on one. What needs a length to be to Titara's Production? To Titara's. Titara's horoscope. So yeah, see two Tyras is the answer really.
By the way, big birthday.
Oh. Yes.
Now I understand. It makes sense. So guys, I think you've touched a bit on it. Why not TV? Why YouTube? You know, TV has got a lot of viewers
Of course.
compared to YouTube.
Yeah, apart from what is this kind of material, you know, we tried on TV. You remember we started a shot with your what was your character there?
It's Mom Dog.
Yeah, Mom Dog.
Yes.
Yeah. Before we starting this YouTube thing, but on TV, I think you need a serious connection. Serious connection. So we decided, no, guys, we're wasting our time here, busy submitting. They don't even give us attention requirements. You are what up a so we decided, no, let's start YouTube. At least manje siyazi siwenza imali. Okay, channel yethu yonke into yethu izinto zobalula lapha.
Their budget is even better.
Exactly that is.
Yeah.
Because on TV it was bafuna camera 100,000 sethatha 100k.
For now I understand. So tell us guys about your journey in acting, you know, personally. How did you get here?
Sure.
Your journey. I believe we all have our journey, you know.
Yes.
We all can tell a story. How did we all get here?
Okay, na personal ke thumile ka 2013. Yeah, ka 2013 negala mo di bioscope. Then after then I realized or ish journey ya TV difficult one. There you know switches ga mo theater, then theater. Down the line go class go then ga feel or ish ke thomonna le mwana ka bona re tabi ya theater esa bereka for because already ke na le mwana sans at least ke provide because theater ke seasonal or the actual screen again a basic salary, you know. Then kato magara ke kere mereko then tabia itinga emanyana up until down the line it was 2022 or 2023 then gagara call gar ke submitile mo grupo nyong ya di acting sendelana di watoto then gagara call ware no you are casted go sunny side on under two terrace. Yeah, 2 terrace. One kids were pagel. Then to play a character program. A handsome guy, what then? Yeah.
And you are handsome. The question you can see so
Mine started in 2022, right? But first in calendar I have my drama classes in Joburg. So I attended that for like about 6 or 5 months, if I'm not mistaken. But very drama very good before I went for the classes. So yeah, and then I went for the auditions, and then from there I got a call from the Tutorous production people, which is them. And yeah, that's when they casted me as being Mom Tolo on that other story, which is them. But then did it really continue? I'm not sure whether. Oh, sorry. I'm not sure if it did continue or but then that's how I started as being Mom Tolo. And then I got other roles as Babi Faga in the stories, and then I got to be Nokwanda and Jandim Manbasini. I forgot the other one. Yeah. Okay. That's how mine started. It's been a very beautiful journey, but very difficult at the same time. Yes. So it hasn't been very easy at all. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Oh. Okay. Okay, now again. I'm young about my theater. Yeah, waiting is lane to be thing actually to be like here.
It's Segazini.
Yeah, because nasesikoleni sasifunda kuma-junior high school sasenze nge-drama kanto yabo. So ke dadibana nobani way to tell us yabo. So I think sasephi ma-audition etown.
Yeah.
Khona lapho ke so saqala lapho 2022 I think yabo 2022 kwi-story before this is Somamtoro.
What was that story? The name of the story?
I forgot the name of that
Oh,
story.
it was a Hindi story.
It was kusanidliwa ngendebe ndaba.
Before that, we've been shooting. We've been shooting.
Albino.
Not everything is about you.
Not everything is about
Not
you.
everything is about you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Saqala lapho ke so ke yakhe kwinhliziyo iphakelwa uthando lanele but kwithando lanele anhlalanga lithe nje yabona nathi
It's been a very long journey.
Yeah.
so i-character yami ingathi inkulu ila kwinhliziyo iphakelwa.
Yes, Umbali.
Yes, Umbali, Nkosi yami. Umbali.
Njengoba mina ngingathela kutshona ilanga andazi noma ngiqale njengenjeni uba ndiqalephi but I think it was mandikhuphe nezinto kanti yandiphazamisa kudala but mandiqale apha mhlawumbi ku-2020 mhlawumbi ndithi phaa ngo-2020 that's where ndiye ndaqala uba serious ngento ye-acting in theatre. I've been attending a theatre and then ndisuke apho manje ndinyuka naye until ndaba lapha yonke le nto yokubhala ndiqale ndayifunda etheatre nayo so ndilapha because of that. Ndingathela kutshonilanga
It's a lot.
Because of time, I prefer not to say anything about that question.
It's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot. Too much experience.
Yeah, no, it's okay. So, guys, I know you've been shooting 2 stories, Inhliziyo Ephakelwa, and there's another one, which is the third one. This,
First one is Inhliziyo Ephakelwa. Second one is Uthando Lwakho Alwanele. The third one is coming.
Double Life. Yes, and I heard that it's coming very soon. Right? So I just want you guys to just tell me, the producers, why you decided to write the stories? Like what inspired you guys to say no?
I'm but I believe you can answer that.
Oh, Bandla. Oh, Nani. Ndicinga ubana
Are you a producer? No, like I'm asking her.
no, I'm not.
She's what?
Cast.
She's a cast. She's a cast. So who wrote the story? Because the question is asking
Exactly.
who
I
wrote.
was confused why cast.
Why the cast should be
Thank you very much. I was confused why the cast.
Sure.
Okay, so I'm telling you that. I'm telling you that.
Everybody was answering, guys.
Yeah, and
I think we should listen to what
Yeah, let's listen.
yes, exactly.
Cheese.
That's what I want to say.
Sorry, buddy.
Going up there.
Oh, okay. Mina ngicinga ukuthi i-writer okanye i-producers azifuni ukuthi abantu babe confused, like kube ne-storyline ezininzi kwi-story sinye. I think
So that's why you mean that's why in the story like it's
it's
different.
different, yabona, and ufuna futhi ukukhasa new faces, kungalokho kuvela abantu
Same faces all the
abaningi,
time.
yabona.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Exactly. Maybe anga-add ke
Job opportunity.
Job opportunity, yes, for everyone. But there's this question that why I decided to write the story called Inhliziyo Ephakelwa. Inhliziyo Ephakelwa. Okay, ithi lento yethi Inhliziyo Ephakelwa. Inhliziyo masedlala ifuna udla khona. You can't say, okay, you meet someone and then this person may be para or something. I'm not saying I'm a para or mdala kuwe age or so if la muntu yamthanda age aside, it doesn't matter what or it's a band 5 or whatever, band 2. So it is different. So you can't.
Akwazi ukuxelela umuntu uba wena nditha lo lo unayo nemali nditha lo because nemali nditha lo because and at the same time it's
like getting someone and then nibe ku relationship and then nohlukana, right? And then you find someone else. Inhliziyo yakho mayisafuna that person, you still go back.
Yes.
It's possible.
It's true.
And also ukuthi lo uyabheda lo uyekile uyabheda, but your heart still wants him.
Yeah, I know.
And the law omtsha lo onayo manje wenza izinto ngendlela right, everything, but
But
you
your
just
heart.
want that.
Exactly.
Inhliziyo
Today uzophinda ubuye. Tomorrow
go back to him and pin the foot. I wanted the same thing. Okay. That's a hard one.
Letters of the heart. So this one, Double Life, what inspired it? What inspired you actually?
Double Life. Kunabantu, okay, singabantu. Sinale this thing yokuthi omunye umuntu angafuna ukwenza into because mhlawumbe esaba ukuthi abantu bazokuthini. Some people they end up live a life as a two, if you are told. On the other side, ungomunye umuntu, kwelinye side ungomunye umuntu. I don't know if you get my point. Yeah, because usaba ukuthi ubani uzothini ukuthi ufind out ukuthi mina I'm this person. Let's say I'm a tomboy or a gay or whatever. I am dating someone, and then I don't want people to find out about ukuthi I'm doing this thing on the other side. I'm hiding. Yes. So ngine life ezithu engiziphilayo. I feel like abanye abantu they need to know ukuthi mawuphila life yakho man, phila life yakho. Don't be scared ukuthi omunye umuntu uzothini. Just we live once, you understand? So this story that is coming is very interesting. I want people to watch and see and learn also which okay, this is not about people, it's about you. Yes. What makes you happy? Yes.
So I remember, where is Nyakalo? You know that?
Oh gosh, my Nyakalo. Okay, my Nyakalo is not here today and I'm not happy because it's not here. Yeah, Ubanjwe nje into ezincane. Akekho today. Otherwise we're still successful.
Hey, Ngosiam, there's Ubokang. Ubokang, you slept with the mother and the doctor. Wait again, kuningi nje, kuningi. Ubokang wenzeni?
This man, please, may I explain? I can't even look at him
What
right
do you
now.
have to say about Ubokang?
Yo, ash. Yeah, ash. Ergono mitsinyana.
My biggest enemy.
No, Bogang, ash. Yeah, no. Character Bogang nearly difficult, honestly speaking, because yo, Bogang na for the challenges, because segna no screening, negna no re. Yeah, but Taylor Bogang wincha, what, you. Yeah, ne si easy character Bogang, because Bogang nele motorumwa wa ema one. Like nale player, kamorobala le nungu kamorobala le mwana haya one. Le na personal straight because na ke sa lo munyane re santse re tlo obvious ne re dlala one. So character you get to ring life aga salana then hena wenze ya ka change. So ke ntsike play character la ne le too close le character ne ke
Guys, wait until the questions from me.
Guys,
Can we just go back a bit? You just said this character was
too close to my.
Yes. So
Yeah,
you almost did something like that, or you did something like that?
No.
You were relating.
In fact, negela bogang before get na monthlizo I was bogang down there, maybe about 20 something down there. So yeah, the character nege tries hui pela up until wa hits wa hola then kopale motho ma relevant then yeah. O kopale motho re monya go rectela a he la palena but so who the motho ne na lena wa izo nege phela maphelo. So how far the character ya bogang nearly difficult because yeah.
It's like
so,
a producer.
No, nothing like that. Because wait a too good, then you like yeah, you are that person. Then Leo partner, it's like bedroom scenes, like we enjoy, like one the old vision of you, so nearly something
So it
else.
made you feel bad. Yeah. Because you once lived it.
Yeah, like it's like Hoto like some way old character it's not something like maybe how a player character Bupara.
Yeah.
I've never been Ipara before. I've never smoked drugs before.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of research. Yeah, it's like one more. So
at some point, you are using some of your experiences.
So I know this, I got this.
I see what Bella.
It's okay. So Buntu. Oops. Buntu. Oh yes.
Hello.
Buntu. You betrayed your girlfriend. Umbali. And then you slept with your niece. Hey, Kuningi. Can you just tell us about the character?
My character, my sister, it was very difficult. Very difficult to pull, but you know, enjoy because it was challenging. Then portray it's like late 40s or early 40s, so you're born. But lo muntu othanda amantombazana kakhulu, more special ama 2000 ama 2K, you know. Yeah, on the other side mele ngibe i-gangster, ngisebenze kutata wakhe izinto ezifana nalezo. But it was so interesting because ngikuthanda abantu aba-active yabona ama-2000 umbali wemazo. I know ukuthi noma emoya wamphansi mafika on set uyazomlift up nakanjani. I couldn't wait to first go on set.
So when you are not into about 2K.
No, I'm not sure about that. I can't answer that one. I'll get arrested, guys.
Okay. So no comment.
Yeah, no comment. Someone must. Nganyenza uthupi ubukile yabona asonupisa ngama-2K no comment guys.
Yeah, so it's okay.
So guys, what's one thing that is very difficult about your characters? You know, when you step outside, you know, immediately when you leave your character, you go out there. What challenges do you face? I know it starts internally. You say, I've been doing this. But then how do people treat you or your partners the way you've been saying?
Yeah.
Does it challenge your relationships, your families? You know, when they look at the
Side, personally, on my side, your character as much as it was a bit challenging and difficult, but at some point influence reason because I remember I was Auntie Gamba. In real life, I'm also an aunt. Yeah, also I had to console her. We challenges as an aunt. Yeah, also as Malas Gamba, I didn't console, didn't get the support of which now I get the experience of which now in real life.
yes.
I'm also an aunt, so we challenges I want I can still learn.
So it actually teaches you also how to.
Yeah.
It's not always a bad side.
Yeah.
Inside of
There's a good side of it.
It's beautiful. So, Bogam, what are your challenges?
You.
What?
Oh, in real life, I have a daughter and a girlfriend. So, with theater, what lasted down there? Motogen Nalena, before Gonalamo, Motoreneki Ectaliena, before one. Yeah, and a character Yotona Lebogam as a character in Salaga, it's a mega eso before one. Salaga Samga character, it was Baratom. Moderate prostitute, so Nigeria something so young. So Nepila ends a referred challenges, because they cast the only Waiti, the only Warren Nabai, 2 personal, then by that. So more relationship in Yanana, Nekisa Takanonyana. So if we can live again more acting than Lena Ebe Manyan. So again, well, more in this way, Pagel, get Copan happen character so it bring it.
Welcome back, guys. We just took a short break, but we are still on it. I just want to ask a question, guys. Where are the other actors that were on Inhliziyo Ephakeme? Because we can see with did they want to choose their own partners? Are they fired? What's going on? What's cooking? What's cooking?
Okay. Now I was staying here, and then I had to relocate to Joburg. So because of long distance now, I can't come and shoot anymore.
Is that your reason?
No, that's the main reason actually.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the main reason for now.
You were not fired.
Otherwise, I'm a reason I'm a means, but this is the main one. Yeah, I have a lot of reasons, but this is the main one.
So you were not fired?
I'm Jamil, I can't tell. The producer or the writer. You see how so I can't answer that. I can't answer now.
No, don't worry, you're coming back.
Okay. Can't go as a queen.
Okay. We are here. Did you want to say something? Did you want to say something?
No, actually, I'm scared because the characters.
I will answer that because they are. I'll answer that. They are not on the show. I don't know why. The OT and reason is because we're located. I disagree because we have people from Joburg. So I'm following what your reason. Maybe because they sing a fatali, so in the Bazemar, because it was zero budget. So I think that's the main reason. About Ubugang, I don't know the reason because maybe I don't think he married because we are students.
I can answer that one.
It's not money. I think it's because of Umsebenzi wakhe challenge. I don't know. That's what I thought. Because nigga my chances to shoot and tell my stories 100 times. Yeah, but then I decided to say, okay, let me just take someone.
But to be quite honest about Wokang, she's no longer one of us. That girl, you remember? Okay, let's leave it.
This is joking.
Guys, come on.
Okay, Naga nede because of Msebenzi oba. Yeah, Msebenzi waga no for the challenges. Because honestly speaking, we got retail oba. So we got retail. Shop work we got Friday and Saturday. Agi available for nga shoot oba. So minimum matsazanga shoot anga wana go ma Wednesday. So na go ngwen no gar maybe ke selfish good Sunday because na go to prefer Saturday then the one or Sunday one then I fail one. So yeah, then the personal matters, but yeah,
this one.
This one. Yeah. So down the line, so yeah, then I already call a filo. You know what? They're going to that was like character game ways where it damages the characters about our enjoy. So you know what? They're going away. So the day you know Sanski away then. Kata leave gare get a kono shoot every Saturday suddenly. So during leave then was a funeral. So yeah. Then I lost my grandfather. So no snoring got to other side. They got to shoot. ene ke ushimana ka mola wona no ka re ya selfish so ka re ya ka ededela.
So guys, I also I want us to be honest. Is it true that when people meet on set and they become partners, like a couple on set, then they take it off set, you know, and then like catch up the feelings? If I say that, say, has something ever
You speaking from experience or what? Or you just?
I'm just saying.
I'm just saying.
Has it happened to you?
Yeah, I see.
Not really.
Not really. Not really.
Yeah, more upper.
So you've seen people taking it off set?
Yes, and it was something beautiful. I never wanted like they continue. I see there's a pen like I'm in love for sure.
So we kiss here on set and then we can go and kiss off set, finish it off set.
But I never like you are corner.
Oh,
Not that I've done it, but
so no, I say when they done it here.
Yeah, it can.
Yeah, it happened. I think about the feelings is bad, so that one you can't run away from it. Yeah, so it depends which way. You control the emotions. Otherwise, it can happen. It's possible.
All right,
Sure.
So guys, how do you feel about that part where you have to get in bed with your birthday suit, kiss each other, touch each other? How does that make you?
That one with my sister is very difficult.
Very difficult.
Yeah, it's very difficult, more especially if your co-actor maybe get comfortable or shy or something. And I'm going ngifihle apha because mina ngibuye nama intimacy scene amaninzi kule story inhliziyo both side nabo uthando. So ngoba inhliziyo iyaqala number 1 izinto ezifana nalezo bengizisenza noba nombala and ubaba ushaye kakhulu yabona. So when it comes to kissing or where does mean let's give it better. Yeah. So what difficult to think shooting iba out of character ngkhona unikeza yonke into ngathi ngacela ne writer yami uthi man if it's possible ngicela useparate nalo nombala hence maybe wangibona sengijona no-cousin wakhe because nangazi inkinga yakhe okuyini inkinga yakhe.
Yeah, honestly, that thing, yeah, it's true. It's true. Going to play sure because if we are not comfortable, I was to keep the character. You end up now. And I don't want to lie. I'm our partners. And Unyakaro, we're fine. We're comfortable to each other, so I didn't get that challenge.
Yeah, and if you can compare Mbali to Buchilo, you can see it different. What that one is free, man.
Yeah.
Mbali Bakasha is so difficult to see but you can add.
Yeah, she can add, but when it comes to kissing, I don't know that.
Kissing is difficult. So it's difficult just for kissing.
Yeah, but right when you kissing.
Maybe who you are kissing.
That's what exactly.
Yeah, so maybe sometimes we will just give another character to say.
Maybe it depends.
But it depends how, guys, because this thing is character, it's not you.
It's not you.
No, like
how come?
Let's tell it like this. I'm also an actor.
Yes.
And I've done those kind of scenes.
Yeah.
We do look at each other, or we do look at characters. Hey,
this person.
But then there are those who be like, oh, I wouldn't mind.
Yeah, it's fine. But when you go on cameras, take that thing out, focus, bring the character, and then
we understand we have to, but
don't be
yeah, because
take notes.
Yeah, Shalonyo ikamkhombo. Once way style or ya uyamunyana. Because this is a problem.
And that time the other character is so comfortable and touching.
Yeah, so enjoying, you know.
Oh, yeah,
Let's move on. Guys, when it comes to casting actors, do you guys cast anyone who's interested, or do you check if they have background experience? How do you cast?
Me as a casting director, honestly, angicheck ukuthi une-background enjani, uyenzile idrama kuphi, because abanye bachecka ukuthi wenze idrama uyifunde iphi yonke lento. I believe ukuthi bakhona abantu abane-passion abazele nayo lento ye-acting, but abanye abana-means zokuyilandelela baye esikolweni okanye asifani mos, but then banayo this thing. Fana ukuthi niye kuma-auditions, thola ukuthi okay kuma-auditions nibaninzi. I remember one day ngiye kuma-auditions Black Brain, I was very scared because abanye abantu bame outside, omunye uzothi mina I was shooting this, and thola ukuthi mina it was my first time so ngifuna can run away like ngimile, but ngibona ukuthi hayi ayisekho lento ngingenela la until ngibona ukuthi okay first door ngoba kusenza i-Black Brain ama-auditions omunye umuntu baya-auditiona first door, then bangenisa bangangenisa. So ngabona ukuthi most of them besithi mina ngifunde e-TUT, ngifunde kuphi, ngine-experience abangenanga but ngingenile. So ngabona ukuthi okay this thing is not about ukuthi ufundele or njani, even if uyifundelanga ifunayo i-passion yakho uyakhona. So we don't choose ukuthi lona une-experience akanayo, sithatha everyone sibonayo ukuthi as long as audition asiphe lento siyifunayo, that's it.
But do you train the actors? Like workshops and...
No, we didn't do workshops yet. Besifuna ukwenza workshop, but then asiwenzanga. But I believe bayabenza siyenza ama-auditions, and then simpick through ama-auditions whether it's online or and then lapho sithola khona abantu. Andifuna uvimba abantu information.
Siyababonisa ukuthi what is what even on set when we shooting, because most of our actors are professional, but you can tell they are talented, but deliver kakhulu. Kumathiwe ukuthi umuntu obuya kuphi TUT or whatever you pick, and then next.
Beautiful. I like what you guys are doing.
Thank you.
So before we close, are we okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Before we close, can you guys tell us about your audition? How do you hold your auditions? When,
Okay.
And how many times?
Okay, ndingathi most of the time since it's a YouTube, sisoloko siba nama-auditions, even if it's online auditions. Most of the time siba nama-auditions, but siwaposta ku-Facebook. Siyabanikeza abantu chance now kusema-groupini sifake ukuthi sinama-auditions. So wonke ama-groups we-acting abakhona nawo, and there's a lot of groups that I have, and then poste kuwo. Usually sifuna ama-new faces most of the time. Even the one for Double Life, there's no auditions now before then. We cast people from there. So otherwise we're always busy. We're looking for new faces.
More special namanje because sisoshoota manje beshoota ama-series, sisoshoota ama-film, short film. So ngakuthi siba nama-audition amaninzi. Kabi so sodinga ama-actor amaninzi. Story njalo mashintsha, Double Life, whatever sikhona sisezayo, so sodinga abantu abanyu, abantu abasiprepare for casting. Sodinga abantu.
Thank you guys so much for all of this. We learned a lot. Also the two Tyras. Now you understand where the name comes from. You didn't know. We didn't know. Somebody, what's an advice that you can give, to other actors? Just look at the camera and just talk to a young person out there.
Oh, okay. I can say if we are targeting and go for it, like sick, whatever. Like if you want to audition, just try. Bana uye khona uye audition, maybe unga like ubona bakuphike yabo. Maybe lente ilapha kuwegazi yabo. So whatever uyifunayo ngenelela. Noba kuphi khona ngani like okay. Maybe this one is on Netflix.
Okay, I believe that is all from me, guys. Thank you so much, and until we meet again. Bye.
Bye.